This is the incredible teaching all metal F35 jet engine. So my expectations are quite high for this because firstly it's a massive and fairly heavy box. Secondly, they've taken some time to get this right. Thirdly, because teaching makes high quality stuff, not the cheapest stuff. For example, their desktop demonstration model of 3D engines, they're not made out of some, basic plastic. They are quality stuff that you would be happy to have on your desk. And I mean, right away, this is impressive. It's massive box. It's really well packaged, as you can see. This is the incredible teaching all metal F35 engine from sterlingkit.com, and it is an absolute beast. It's real quality. So I think this is like the ultimate destination of where they've been going for a few years. Small bypass turbofan engine, all metal miniature mechanical assembly model. I think this is going to look absolutely fantastic on my desk or on anybody's desk. Anybody who's an aviation enthusiast, anybody who's into science, technology, museum quality model. But let's rip into it. Let's see. And as an example of what you can expect, so that's very, very, very thorough. Look at it. It's got the components. I'm going to learn quite a bit about it, but it's got components here, what each one does. The camera can barely do these justice, but these metal parts are just stunning. Goodness me, I'm very lucky to have this. What a beautiful kit. So teaching have been honing their ability over a number of models over the last few years, and it's culminated in this. So the parts have got numbers here. We've got numerous bearings and fittings. A complex model like this needs some pretty good layout instructions, and it looks like it's not going to be too hard. Goodness gracious me. I'm just staggered by what the engineers can do with. Look, I mean, all metal parts. This is aluminium. Even these black parts. Goodness me. And this is what I mean about a museum quality model. It's just blows me away, actually, the kind of what they managed to pull off here. And we're still going. I mean, you certainly get your money's worth. This thing is also, can I just note, this thing is gigantic. It's going to be huge. It's gorgeous. I'm really excited and I can't wait to build it. It's going to make this, which I made years ago. I'm going to be learning a lot. Wood and a bicycle light. It's going to make that look a bit sad, isn't it? Nah, nothing sad about that. It's a very hot day for pussycats, you'll see in the background. There's nothing like the cool quality feel of metal parts. So this is the engine to an F-35.